Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have one question which is related to Python interpreter. This question might not come in interview, but this is for fun and for your knowledge or learning. So you might have already worked in Windows and Linux both. So if you are working in Windows, you must have seen one command which you can use to clear your screen. In Windows, we have a command with the name as cls, and the corresponding command in Linux is clear. In order to give you a demo, I have opened two windows in my screen. In left hand side, you can see a command prompt, and in right hand side, you can see a WSL window. What is WSL? So WSL is basically a software which Windows provide to you, and it helps developer to run a Linux environment without the need of a separate virtual machine. Okay, so you can think like that. This WSL is kind of a simulator which will help me to run Linux command. All right, so let's start our demo. Let me go to command prompt, and let's say I'm in the middle of a screen or in the end of the screen. I want to clear it. For that, I have a command cls. As soon as I will enter, it will clear my screen. And similarly in Linux, let's say I'm in middle of my screen. I want to clear it. For that, I have a command clear. As soon as I will enter, it will clear my Linux screen also. Okay, so we do have this feature in Windows and in Linux. But I'm talking about Python interpreter this time. Let me enter into Python interpreter in Windows and in Linux, both the environments. Okay. Now here, if I will type CLS or clear, we do not have any such features, neither in Windows nor in Linux. So basically, Python is a platform independent language. So it doesn't matter if I'm running my command in Windows or in Linux. Okay. So my question is it really possible to achieve the same functionality inside Python interpreter or not? So yes, it is actually achievable. For that, we will need to import OS library. Let me import it. Once you have imported, you can use os.system function, and inside single quote, you can give the command which you want to run. So in Windows, we have a command cls to clear the screen. So I will give the same command over here. And as soon as I will hit the enter, it will clear my screen. Here it has given 0. 0 is nothing but its output value. 0 indicates that our command got successfully ran. I'll do the same thing in Linux. Let me import OS module. Once we have imported it, now we need to run os.system command. Inside it, we need to give our command which we want to run. Okay. So I'm in Linux operating system. So I would like to run clear command. As soon as I will hit enter, it will clear my Linux screen also. Right. Again, it has given us 0, indicating our last command got executed successfully. So let's say every time I do not want to type such a long command, right? Just to clear my screen. So what you can do, you can create a function for it. And in Windows, the function with the name as cls will make more sense, right? And here I'll give the same command. Now, whenever you want to clear your screen, you just need to call this function and it will clear out your screen, right? And the same thing you can achieve in Linux. In Linux, function with the name clear will make more sense. So let me create this function. And here inside os.system, you need to give a command clear. Okay. Now, wherever you are, you just need to call this function and it will clear the screen for you. Now, let's say I'm still not happy with this feature. So what I want to say is, for example, I'm working in Windows, and as soon as I will launch my Python interpreter, I will just type CLS and it should clear my screen. That means I want some startup type of a feature. As soon as I will start my interpreter, my few commands should be automatically available. For that, what you can do is you can create one Python script. For me, I have created one startup.py script, and the same feature which I wanted, I have kept it inside this file. So I wanted this os.system CLS feature. So I've created a function for that. And as soon as I will enter into my Python interpreter, this function will become available to me. But for that, what you have to do is, as you have already created a script, now you need to mention the path of this script in your system variable or environmental variable. So for that, you need to go into environment variable. Inside it, you need to click environment variable, and then you need to go to system variable. Here you need to click on new. And here you will have to provide some values. What values you need to provide is, I have already created them. So in variable name, you have to write Python startup. And in value, you need to provide the complete path of your file. Okay. In my case, the complete path is C user Sanjay Bidwal desktop my code Python and startup.py. Similarly, you will have to give your absolute path. Okay. Now just click on OK. Okay. Save it. Now let me go ahead and relaunch my Python interpreter. Let me exit from the previous instance and I will again launch it. Python. Now I am inside my Python interpreter. Now if I will call CLS function, it should clear my screen. Let me try. See, this was so simple to achieve it. I believe this question will not be asked in interview, but again, if you are using your Python interpreter very frequently and you have a habit of clearing your screen frequently, then I thought this feature will come handy to you, and that's why I have created this video. That's it for this video, guys. If you like such content, then subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.